Hello guys, welcome back to Lancaster Automart A2B. My name's Ryan. Today I'm going to be giving you a really quick walk around video. Our 2024 74 plate Toyota Yaris XL. It's a 1.5 self-charging petrol hybrid with a automatic CVT gearbox, finished off in Dakuma Grey. Just going to be giving you a really quick walk around video, showing you the car from a couple of different angles, pointing out some features as we go around it too. The car's only had one owner, does have a service on there as well to upkeep the warranty for the Toyotas, which can be up to 10 years as long as you stick to the service schedule. You've got your LED headlights and daytime running lights at the front, along with a nice contrasting gloss black front grille. You've also got front parking sensors and fog lights too. 17-inch diamond cut black and silver alloy wheels, along with body colour door mirrors and door handles as well. The car also comes with rear tinted glass, LED tail lights to the rear, along with rear parking sensors, rear fog lights and a rear camera too. All of our Automart cars are supplied with a full multi-point safety check that's carried out by our Honda approved technicians. All of our used cars do go through a full valet as well. And here at Lancaster Automart A2B, we do offer flexible finance rates along with great part exchange valuations too. I'll take you on to the interior. As you can expect, the interior is in mint condition. You've got the half leather, half cloth with a nice design on their seats. Contrasting white stitching on the edges as well. Got nice comfy lumbar support seats as well. Moving on to the back, that's continued. Got ice fixed points to the bottom of both rear seats. We also have the black door cards which run all the way across and along the dash. Got your nice big 10.25 infotainment system in the middle with options on here such as the Toyota navigation system built in. You've also got DAB, FM and AM audio sources along with Bluetooth connection for your phone, music and calls as well. You'd also have the usual Apple CarPlay and Android Auto built in. And you do have the rear view camera like I mentioned, along with the guidelines. Comes in very, very handy when parking along with the sensors. Moving on down, you've got your dual zone climate controls just there, along with a wireless phone charger, 2 USB-C ports and your 12-volt socket. You've got your automatic gear selector with your bandwidth mode to help with your regen braking. You've got your different driving modes, which do include Sport, Normal and Eco, along with your full EV mode, electronic parking brake and your brake hold just there. 2 cup holders in the centre, and then you've got a nice leather armrest in the middle. Moving on to the dash, as you can see, it's a fully digital dash, and at the moment the car has only covered 8,685 miles, so great mileage along with having a service as well. You've got your leather wrapped multifunctional steering wheel built in. You've got your adaptive cruise control options on the right. On the left, you've got your audio and source controls along with your voice activation. Automatic headlights just behind, along with your front and rear fog light controls. Your push to start is just below. You also have your automatic rain sensing windscreen wipers to the right, along with your electronically adjustable folding door mirrors. You've got electric windows all round in here as well, along with the automatic lights just down there. You've got your automatic high beam. So if you are interested and would like any more information on our 2024 74 plate Toyota Yaris XL, feel free to give us a call. You can give us a call on the number below, or you can message us on our Facebook page, Lancaster Automart A2B, and one of our sales team will be more than happy to provide you with any more info that you might need. You can find a full list of detail and spec below, and that's all for this one. Thank you very much. Bye for now.